So, I'm not gonna introduce myself, cause today, cause today is gonna be a snow day. That was supposed to be game over tonight, but apparently it's canceled. That's bullshit. You can't even see it, cause the fucking snow ice is blocking the window. But I'm gonna tell you this right now, it's a happy ass now. Oh, like Shinra. Yeah, what the fuck you call it? Ice Shinra from Dragon Ball GT. Well, GT, maybe. I heard it's bad, so that's gonna make it. People don't like it because some of the things that were supposed to happen didn't happen. Yeah, that's when Super came out. Well, I'm waiting for Nico's to get here, because that motherfucker is the soggiest. I doubt it. He's kind of like an hour away from my hood. I doubt it. But I hate the fact how he says that don't worry about it, and then he find a way to, like, to be here and there. So I want to see this. I want to see he talking his way out of this. Transition. Ow.
Hey, Johnny's here. These guys are about to do a version of that song. Was it that song playing or something else?
Yep, that one.
That exact song?
Shape of You, because that shit is mild, so might as well.
In Vietnamese?
Half and half. It's just that Vietnamese accent.
Come for J.O.
Johnny can get away with it. He can switch any accent. Me, mine's natural, so I can't do anything about it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, I'm freaking sick right now. What was the name of that thing? What was it called? That thing I had to put on my nose?
Medicated oil. Yeah. Ego brand. No.
Asian brand?
Ego brand. Like Call.
Oh my gosh.
Call.
It's like every time I try to breathe through my nose, it like burns. You guys still haven't done this song yet. It's been like an hour. Actually more than that.
So, he has to practice anyway, and I have to practice the bridge.
Oh.
The Vietnamese.
So we migrated down to Johnny's crib. Hong's here. We saw him in the elevator as we were about to go downstairs. Imagine if we went in. What?
You know it.
Thank you. Imagine if we weren't in separate elevators and Kwong was standing outside of Mid's door for like an hour or something.
Now my besties smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Like that. I'm in love with the shape of you. That is talent. Like you were in my room. Now my besties smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Ah! Pass me the microphone. Nah, pass me the microphone. Pass me the microphone. And then they hear like scuffle noises, like, pass me the microphone. Oh, like that. Alright. So, last night we were in my room. Yeah. I'm in love with the shape of you. Alright. I'm in love with the shape of you. What you do like a magnet too. But my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Hey man, last night what are you doing, man? I'm recording. No, come on, you gotta sing. No, yeah, no, you
You laughed a bit too much. You laughed too much.
I was trying to bet. Play. cosas.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing the Matrix with the camera.
Shooting a video for Kwong.
One of them to know.
I can still see you.
I
Oh well.
I prefer the lights off. I prefer if you turn that light off. Cause this one's got me looking for the light.
Now it looks kind of like a club.
shape up, yo.
Hey man, what are you doing?